Today I am reviewing the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that can truly handle daily cleaning without constant effort from you, the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is one of the most capable and convenient options available right now. Right out of the box, this robot vacuum gives off a sense of premium engineering. It's designed to take the stress out of cleaning by combining strong suction, intelligent navigation, and a fully automated self-emptying system. The result is a cleaning experience that feels almost completely hands-free. One of the biggest highlights is its powerful suction. Whether you're dealing with dust, crumbs, dirt, or pet hair, this vacuum is built to handle it all. It works effectively on both hard floors and carpets, pulling debris from deep within fibers while still being gentle on surfaces. If you have pets at home, this becomes especially valuable, as it can consistently pick up hair and dander without getting clogged or overwhelmed. The cleaning performance is further enhanced by Shark's Matrix Clean navigation. Instead of randomly moving around your home, the vacuum follows a precise grid pattern. This means it makes multiple passes over each area, ensuring that no spots are missed. You'll notice that your floors look more thoroughly cleaned compared to standard robot vacuums that only do a single pass. Another standout feature is the home mapping system powered by 360-degree LiDAR technology. This allows the vacuum to quickly scan and map your entire home with impressive accuracy. Once mapped, it navigates in an organized and efficient manner, avoiding obstacles like furniture, toys, or even changes in layout. It works well in both bright and dark environments, which adds to its reliability. The self-emptying base is a major convenience factor. After each cleaning session, the vacuum automatically returns to its dock and empties its dustbin into the base, which can hold up to 30 days of dirt and debris. This means you don't have to worry about emptying it every day or even every week. Combined with the HEPA filtration system, it captures up to 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it a great option for households that prioritize cleaner air. For pet owners, this robot vacuum is especially impressive. The self-cleaning brush roll helps prevent hair from wrapping around the brush, which is a common issue with many other vacuums. This makes maintenance easier and ensures consistent performance over time. It's designed to handle continuous pet shedding without losing efficiency. Another great feature is the extended runtime. With up to 120 minutes of cleaning on a single charge, it can cover large areas without interruption. And if the battery runs low before finishing, it automatically returns to its dock, recharges, and then resumes cleaning right where it left off. This ensures that your entire home gets cleaned, even if it takes multiple sessions. Smart control is also a big part of the experience. You can control the vacuum using your smartphone or through voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. This allows you to start cleaning, schedule sessions, or control settings without ever touching the device. It integrates seamlessly into a smart home setup and makes managing cleaning incredibly easy. In terms of build quality and reliability, Shark has a strong reputation, and this model reflects that. It's been rigorously tested to ensure consistent performance and durability. You can trust it to handle regular cleaning tasks without frequent issues or breakdowns. Overall, the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a powerful, intelligent, and highly convenient cleaning solution. It combines strong suction, smart navigation, and true automation with its self-emptying base to create a truly hands-off experience. If you want a robot vacuum that saves you time, handles pet hair with ease, and keeps your home consistently clean with minimal effort, this is one of the best choices you can make.